So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to decorate this beautiful Spider-Man cake from A to Z. Okay, if this is a video you will be interested in watching, please do not stop on the way. Continue watching till the end. Please guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, okay? If you can share, please help me share and I will really do appreciate that, okay? For my fondant recipe, I've shared a lot of fondant recipe that is suitable for all weather. I'm going to leave the link of the fondant recipe right inside the description box, okay? For the color I use for this particular cake, I use blue from Mecan, okay? I just added a little blue color to my white fondant to achieve this sky blue color, okay? I think they also have a sky blue color in the market. You can look out for the sky blue color in the market, but what I use is royal blue. I just added a little royal blue to my white color and I was able to achieve this beautiful color you are seeing here, okay? If you are adding color to your white fondant, do it gradually, little at a time, until you get the particular color that you are looking for, okay? I've already crumb coated my cake and I'm going to leave the link in the description box on how to crumb coat or trim your circle cake, okay, before covering it with your fondant, okay? If you are struggling to cover a fondant cake or to decorate cake, this video is a guide and it is very easy and explanatory. You can be watching this and be working on a cake, and at the end of the day you will come up with something beautiful and amazing, okay? Don't forget this baking tip. Always measure your fondant, okay? Before measuring your fondant, remember that you've taken the measurement of the cake that you're working with. You have to take the measurement of the cake and also take the measurement of the fondant. When you take the measurement of the cake and measurement of the fondant, you will not find it difficult to cover the cake. But when you don't measure, you will end up not coming out or maybe having a beautiful looking cake, okay? Always measure. Make sure you have a tape for your cake, okay? If you don't have a tape, I don't know how to guess, so I always measure my fondant before covering my cake. I don't guess the size or maybe guess the width or whatever. I always make use of my tape while decorating my cake, okay? So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Subscription is free. Subscription is free. You do well to subscribe, okay? Because we have amazing recipes for you, okay? I'm waiting for you to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and thumbs up this video. Make sure you thumbs up this video, okay? Encourage me by watching my ads. Please do not skip my ads, okay? you can see that I'm struggling to remove the board. Always sprinkle a little flour or corn flour on the board before flipping the cake over, so that you will not struggle to remove the board from the cake. Okay, you can see the sharp edges is sharpened. Okay, covering a cake, there is no big deal in covering a fondant cake. All you need to do is to follow the process and the step-by-step guide, and you are good to go. Okay. So guys, I'll go ahead to add some glucose on the cake board, because I'm going to place the cake on this particular board. Okay, you can make use of your buttercream to do this. The reason why I'm using glucose, I don't want the cake to be dancing up and down. I want the cake to be balanced. So I normally use glucose or maybe buttercream or butter icing. You can use whatever that works for you. Okay, then I'll go ahead to steam my cake. Okay, this is a rechargeable steamer I got from Sokane. You can go ahead to steam it if you have the other type of steamer. If you don't have steamer, remember I have shared a video on how to steam your cake with vegetable oil. You can look out for that video. I will leave the link of that video in the description box for easy access. Okay, so guys, I'll go ahead to add my cake toppers to beautify the cake. This is a Spider-Man theme cake. Okay, remember I've shared a video on how to download these images from your phone and print it. Okay, if you have not watched that video, the link will also be in the description box, so you can go ahead to check on that video on how to download these beautiful cake toppers from your phone and print it, and save some cost buying it in the market. Okay. So guys, you can see the cake is beautiful and we are almost done. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you. And remember, if you have not thumbs up, please do well to do that. Okay, I really appreciate you. I will see you in my next video.